Easily and simply change your default email account to Mozilla Thunderbird Mail. Thunderbird is really convenient because it picks a default account when you first set it up. However, we often add multiple new accounts over time: work email, personal email, maybe even a second business address. Eventually, you might notice Thunderbird automatically uses the original default email address when you click New Message, especially if you're not inside a particular email folder. If that's not the address you want to be sending from, it's time to change it. Changing the default account is easier than you might think. Here's how. Navigate to Account Settings. In the main Thunderbird window, click on the Tools menu at the top. Then select Account Settings. Select the account. From the list of accounts on the left-hand side, click on the email account you want to set as your new default. Click Account Actions. Look toward the bottom of the left panel. You'll see a button labeled Account Actions. Give that a click. Set the default. A small drop-down menu should appear. Select Set as Default. Want more tips and detailed instructions for Thunderbird Mail? Then we recommend our book. You can find the link in the video description. And that's it. Now, whenever you compose a new message, Thunderbird will use that newly selected account as the default sender, unless you specifically select a different one. To make sure everything's working correctly, go ahead and click Write or New Message. You should see your newly chosen address in the From field. If you want to switch between accounts, just use the drop-down menu next to your email address while composing the message. Great that you've made it this far. Then you can write us a comment, subscribe to the channel, and give it a thumbs up. Let's do it.